Welcome to my YouTube channel, Edutainment Destination, where we share educational videos as well as entertainment videos. Here with you is King Mumbo J, the king and the brand manager of the best brand, Chevera Mopi, the brand many likes, the brand many wears, the brand many enjoys the benefits. For more information about the brand, drop in the comment below. I will get back to you. But for now, let's roll into today's topic. Today I'm going to share with you motivation quotes that changed my life. Please like, share, ring the bell icon, and subscribe. Perhaps you're heartbroken, you feel damaged, or you feel like you can't anymore. Maybe you took wrong decision due to bad influence or peer pressure. I bet you are not the first person. You are not the only one, and I promise it's never too late to change. Just watch this till the end. Everything has been said before, but since nobody listened, we have to keep going back and beginning all over again. Beginning today, I will no longer worry about yesterday. It is in the past, and the past will never change. Only I can change by choosing to do so. Yesterday is a cancelled check. Tomorrow is a promising note. Today is the only cash you have to spend it wisely. It is not what happened to you in life that is important. It is only how you react to what happens. It does not matter where you are coming from either. All that really matters is where you are going. And where you are going is limited only by your own imagination. And since your imagination is unlimited, your future is unlimited as well. One thing that you have to bear in mind is that your life changes the moment you make new congruent and committed decisions. Because in the end, what we regret most are the chances we never took. So don't let the burdens of your past be obstacle of your future. You can't go back and change at the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. I used to think that maybe there is a secret to success, but I came to realize that there is no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard working, and learning from failure. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks that others throw at him, because hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. So you have to take risk. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise, because sometimes there is no next time, no timeouts, no second chance. Sometimes it's now or never, and the future depends on what we do in the present. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. And failure is not bad as it seems. It makes you realize that you need to take a different approach to life and have a new plan for your task at hand. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste, and trust me, you are the only person on earth who can use your ability. I used to read this book, Change Your Thinking, Change Your Life, by Brian Tracy, and I learned 3 laws in it. Number 1, the law of attraction, that says you are a living magnet and that you invariably attract into your life the people, ideas, opportunities, and circumstances in harmony with your dominant thoughts. When you think positive, optimistic, loving, and successful thoughts, you create a force field of magnetism that attract like ion feelings to a magnet, the very things you are thinking about. Number 2, the law of substitution, that says your mind can hold only one thought at a time, positive or negative. You can substitute a positive thought for a negative thought whenever you choose. Number 3, the law of habit, that says any thought or action that you repeat over and over will eventually become a new habit. So think positive always, change your thinking, and finally you will change your life. Thanks for taking time to watch my video till the end. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new today. Hope your life will change too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more educational and entertainment videos.